So basically what I wanted to do today is I kind of wanted to make a continuation from the last video. And basically I'm going to be sharing my creative resume that my girlfriend actually like made for me. So basically what I wanted to do was to give the previous video, my previous video, some context. So if you haven't seen that, it's like right up here somewhere. And like basically what I wanted to do was I just wanted to show what's on it, like, and why I put the certain things that I did. And just looking from it right now, I can see that experience is spelled wrong, and I actually never realized that before, but whatever. So as you can see right here, I guess we'll start from the top. Yeah, sure. So like, you know, you just put your about, you know, I'm self-taught, like, and I'm not gonna lie about anything, but yeah, I'm a self-taught content creator, videographer, and my video viewers get a unique perspective on educational and self-help topics. Yes, I'm a minimalist, exploring new concepts and practicing to improve my cinematography skills, which is also spelled wrong, and I didn't know that until now. So I guess it's gonna be corrected, so luckily I went through it. I guess all the ones that I sent out, people are gonna think I'm an idiot, but oh well, it is what it is. Then obviously, you know, you have experience right here, so I'm a video content creator. Looking back at it now, I think we should have put for how long. I've been creating videos for, I started in 2019. Yeah, so did I start in 2019? No, yeah, I did. Yeah, I started in 2019 November. So yeah, so it's been like a year and a bit, right? Like a year and like 4 months, or you know, whatever it is. So yeah, I mean, we could have put the time, maybe, sure. Brainstorm new video ideas to publish twice a week, yes. Videos 5 to 10 minutes long with talking head and B-roll, lots of B-roll by the way. Informative / knowledgeable topics. Pre-production includes script writing, scene planning, and audio and lighting setup. Yes, I do all those things for my videos. It's definitely, it takes longer than most people think. Strict timelines are set to adhere to posting schedule. Yes, I post every Monday and Friday. So I usually try to record, so today's Sunday, so I try to record, like, I try to have everything done by Sunday to edit and upload on Monday. Same thing with my Friday video. I try to have the script done on Wednesday. I shoot my B-roll and like my talking head on Thursday, and then I edit and upload on Friday. That's usually how it goes. Yeah, production involves shooting, direction of cast members, which is me. Members is also spelled wrong. I never realized that till now. And improvisation to solve on-set obstacles, which basically means moving things. Audio matching, yes. Color grading and scene editing, yep. All are prepared and optimized for upload to YouTube. And editing is done in Final Cut Pro X. Yeah, so that's good. The only thing I would change is the spelling errors, and that's basically it. I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, I would dabble if you're creating one, like I would dabble with the idea of putting like how long you've been doing it for. It could work or not work. Some people care, some people don't. So I mean, it is what it is. Then we have photography. Obviously I shoot a thumbnail for all my videos. Photos of stage to catch viewers' attention. Yep. Using set lighting and composition. Yes. Photos are edited in Lightroom. Yes. Also a bit of Photoshop to add like the text recently and stuff like that. If you look back through my old videos, you see that I wasn't adding text, but I've been kind of playing with it for the past, I think it's been like 2 months now probably. Maybe I started in December, January time. I'll just put thumbnails consist of eye-catching photography. Actually, I don't know, that's kind of hard to word. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Like I said, the same thing with this. I would just put the time that I've been doing it for. Interviews, you know, if you've shot anything, like just put it. Just make sure anything that you've worked on, like just make sure you put it. If you shot like, you know, somebody's wedding, make sure you put it. If you shot your brother's graduation, you know, make sure you put it. If you shot anything, a video of your cat, you know, running outside, or you know, whatever you want to call it, just to showcase that you can shoot, you can edit, you can upload, you know, you can do all those things. There's nothing really to change on the interviews part. It's just if the person wants to click this, then they can obviously click it. And the reason these are clickable is because I think my girlfriend did them in, I want to say it was Illustrator. I don't know, she knows all that technical stuff. I'm old. Like, she's like, oh yeah, we can like put the links and they'll be like clickable and this and that. Like I didn't believe her, and then it was the truth, and like it actually stung me. I was like, holy shit. But yeah. Okay, and then wedding videography, filmed and edited, wedding day highlights for couple. Yeah, so anything that you've done. Like if you make a vlog, like even if you make a vlog, I would put like, I have experience in vlogging, because it's not a lie, you did vlog, you know what I mean? Like it's not about like, and one thing that you'll notice with this is I didn't put that I didn't go to film school. I put I am a self-taught aspiring content creator and videographer, right? So I put self-taught, so nobody can say like, oh, you know, you didn't go to film school because, or you lied to me or whatever it is, because I know I didn't go to film school, but I didn't say that, oh, I went to film school. Don't lie on your resume, by the way. Yeah, so then, you know, you move down to your skills right here. Boom, Final Cut Pro. We have that. Color grading scenes, audio matching, keyframing, audio mixing, exporting for different end uses, scene structuring, credits, titles, pages, captions, you know, everything. Everything. If you upload a video to TikTok, you know, you put that. If you upload a video to YouTube, you put that. LinkedIn, and it's basically almost all the same thing. But when you don't have experience, and when you haven't gone to, you know, you don't have a degree or anything like that, like you have to fill it up with as much information as possible. Because the way I look at it is, I look at it like this. I think, I forgot which video it was in, but I mentioned something about hiring managers and how they only look at your resume for like 15 seconds or, you know, whatever it is. So if you have a lot of text, they're not necessarily going to want to read it, right? They're going to look at probably your about, maybe some of your experience, maybe some of your skills, probably not even your gear, and probably not even your goals, because they probably don't even really care. But yeah, so just make sure you try and fill it up with as many things as you can. And then we have Lightroom, yeah, photo manipulation, color correction, shadows, boom, boom, boom. I would add Photoshop to that. And that's basically it for that, because you have your social media ones here: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You could put TikTok in there. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's basically it. Social media management, everything that you see that I upload on social media is all done by me. I don't have like anybody helping me to do it. That's all done by me. All those like little 1-minute clips on different platforms. So yeah, you're scheduling, you're maintaining different platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. You're responding to inquiries, you're interacting with your audience, you know, content creation, like you're engaging with people. Just make sure you put all of that, right? If you change your profile picture on your thing, that's social media management. You're managing your social media, right? Then you could list your gear. I didn't necessarily know what to put. So that's why we ended up putting the gear. So like I put all my gear that I have. I didn't put like all my lights and stuff like that, because like that doesn't really like matter. Like, you know, you have your camera, your lens, boom, your mic. I have a GoPro. I put my laptop because I think that's kind of important. This is my like my big key light that you see on me. This Aputure ALMC is that like little like light in the background, usually behind me, that changes color. And then my gimbal. I put that because I needed space. Like I needed something to fill. Like we had a lot of extra space at the end, so that's why I put the gear. If you can find something else to fill it with, I don't necessarily know what you would. Maybe like if you took a course or something, like a master class, or what's the next one, Skillshare, or you know, something like that. But then that might go in experience, but then experience is mostly like on the job, you know, kind of thing. So I mean, I don't know, you could switch out gear for like education, right? And then you put that near the top, right? So you would put about, education, experience, skills, and then goals, right? But I mean, we might actually make that change now that I actually thought about it. But I mean, I'm pretty fine with it right now. Because I haven't taken any master classes, I haven't taken anything on Skillshare. It's everything that I've done has been through YouTube, like watching lighting tutorials, how to set up your mic, the exposure settings, you know, how to set up your camera, all these kinds of things. And then goals, I want to inspire people and learn more about filmmaking. Yes, my main goal is to take my skills and apply it to help and inform others. Yes, I genuinely appreciate an opportunity to showcase my skill set so I can provide value each day. I personally, I actually truly believe that. In my videos, I'm always learning and broadening my skills, and a job in the creative industry can can exercise my potential to better myself and my future employer. Yeah, so like that is pretty, I don't want to say it's pretty true, because it is true. Like, I truly believe that if I got a chance, that I would kill it. It's just a matter of me getting a chance. And then I want to talk about this little thing over here on the left. This, like, I don't know what you would call this, but yeah, so like I have my name. My girl created this logo for me. I thought it was sick, so we're sticking with it for now. Boom, your videographer. Under this, under videographer, I would actually also put, I'll probably also put photographer. And yeah, because I do both. Your expertise, boom, Final Cut, Lightroom, Photoshop, filmmaking, YouTube, social media, photography. I would put videography in here too, under this, because again, I also do that. Boom, get in touch. I actually really like this, because then boom, like you could click this and it goes straight to your YouTube, right? Like you can click any one of these and it goes straight to your whatever they clicked on, right? So this will take you to my Instagram, this will take you to my LinkedIn, this will take you to my Twitter. And yeah, so like the thing that I try to do is like I try to make it as convenient as possible for whoever is reading the thing. YouTube is obviously my main platform, so that's why we put YouTube down here, like separately, if you want to call it that. And then you have your portfolio, which is available upon request. So you know, if they ask you for that, then you're probably in a good spot. But I didn't link anything here to like Dropbox or, you know, anything like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The one thing, the couple of things I would change, like I said, is I would just fix up the grammatical errors or the spelling errors, because I actually just realized that we had a few. But like I said, the video content creator, I would just put for how long I was doing it, right? For photography, how long I was doing it. Interview is, sure, you can put the date, but the date's on the YouTube video, so it doesn't really matter. Wedding videography, you could put how long you did it for, right? Skills, you could put Final Cut Pro. I would put that I've been using it for 3 years. Lightroom, 3 years. Social media management, 3 years, or however long you've been doing it. You probably could switch out the gear section for an educational section, if you want to call it that, but then everything will just get bumped down. If you have an actual degree, like, I mean, you shouldn't even be watching this video. I mean, but then again, you never really know. Yeah, and then I have goals down there just because I think the goals was just something else that we had to fill. So that was why we had that. But I mean, other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, you know, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you are struggling, and I am also struggling to break into the space, if you want to call it that. But I mean, I'm confident that all I need is for one person to give me a shot. All I need is a shot. That's literally it. Like, and then I know that I can prove myself, if that makes sense. But I mean, the one thing I'd have to say is just, you know, keep applying, keep pushing, because it's just like I said in my last video, the only place that we can go is up, right? The only thing that we can do is keep pushing. And, you know, if you're like me, like I said, and you don't have a degree or experience or whatever it is, like, you have to try and mask the fact that you don't have a degree, right? Because, and if you're applying, like, if you're looking to apply for jobs and like say you want to be a videographer, right? But you don't have a degree from film school or whatever, still apply for it. Like, just because I don't qualify for jobs, like, I still apply for the job, because like there's multiple people out there that aren't qualified enough to do their job. So I mean, what's stopping me from being a camera operator or whatever it is just because I don't have a degree from film school? Obviously it would help, but just because I don't have a degree doesn't mean I'm not going to apply for a job. I'm not going to go apply for a job to be an engineer or an architect, obviously, you know, like, because I don't think I would get that job, and two, like, I'm not interested in it, right? Like, I'm interested, like, don't get it twisted, the science and the physics and, you know, everything behind it is super sick. But yeah, like, if you don't have experience, still apply for the job, it doesn't matter. Because who knows, maybe one person would see your resume and they really like it, and then they call you in for an interview and then you get the job. Good. But if you never applied for the job, then you would have never known, right? It's just a matter of asking, basically. But yeah, like, if anybody has any questions, you know, feel free to ask. I'll try and help you out in the best way I can. And yeah, like if you want to use this template kind of, you know, thing, go right ahead. Like it's not copyrighted or anything like that. Like I said, just make sure you fix your spelling errors. And I would put the amount of time that I've been doing these things for, video content creator. Like, because right now, just looking at it, this person could be a video content creator for 3 weeks, but I wouldn't have known, right? So I would just I'll put video content creator 3 years, because I've been making videos here for a year. I made gaming videos for like 2 years? No, more than that. It's probably 3. So video content creator should be like 4, really and truly. I've been using Final Cut for a while. Photography has only been like a year and a half, a little bit. But yeah, like just make sure you try and fill the space with as much as you can, because like I don't know if there's like science behind it or anything like that. It's just me talking from experience. Like if somebody gave me this to read, like I would not want to read all of this. You know what I mean? So that's why like I might read the about, I would read the experience, but I would probably read the skills, gear I don't really care about, and goals, you know, I don't really care about. So, but it, like if I see video content creator for Final Cut and I see 4 years, I'm like, oh, okay, you know, this person probably knows the way around Final Cut. They know how to keyframe, they know how to color grade, they know how to audio match, you know, and like stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I think of anything else, I'm gonna hop back on and just kind of add it to the video, or I'll add it to the video at the end, or you know, whatever it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody for watching, taking the time out of your day to watch. Like I said, if you have any questions, anything, let me know. Comments, social media, reach out, and I'll do my best to help you out. So like I said, all we can do is keep pushing to just, you know, apply for as many jobs as we can, because I truly believe that eventually somebody's gonna give you a chance, and all I need is one chance, and I'm like 90% sure that I can probably make it work. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and we'll see everybody in the next one. Thanks for watching.